Our spring annual bedding plant sale is the club's biggest plant sale of the year. So it's next week from Thursday to Friday. It'd be April 30th and May 1st from 9 to 4 p.m. here in Teaching Greenhouse West. It's really big. The first few hours are nuts. We have a line out the back, so if you see a plant you really want, I suggest getting here early. So we have a good variety here. We have a lot of ornamentals, so like your annual flowering plants. We have some cool foliage plants like our coleus, and we have a lot of vegetables. I think a few of them are pretty cool. We have a disease-resistant miniature tomato. It's our Tiny Tim tomato. It's already putting on little tiny tomatoes, so it's really cool. It's a great plant if you've had problems in the past. And we also have a lot of different herbs, so your rosemary, lavender, all that good stuff. I think people should come to the Horticulture Club sale because we have really great plants that have been taken care of very well throughout the year. Our students put a lot of work into raising these plants, and they're a really good size for what you're getting. So prices are great compared to some of your other box stores. They are good sizes and they're just really good plants.